So today I had a conversation with somebody for the first time about investing, and they wanted to know how to day trade. This specific person is not new to investing completely. They have certain accounts, savings accounts, and that's their idea of investing. Newly, they have been listening and hearing about day trading, and for some reason they stumbled upon my content or my personality, what I think everybody should start with when it comes to investing and how you should structure yourself. This is going to be just off the dome. I just had the conversation and got inspired to make a video. Also, the reason I haven't been able to make videos recently is because I just started my new job. First 9 to 5, it is kicking my butt. I don't know why I thought I could manage a full-time job, a full-time MBA program, also alongside with 2 full-time businesses, and then still think I was gonna have any kind of freedom. I don't even have freedom to do homework right now. But who am I? Welcome to the channel, family. It's your boy, Femi Abdul, a 24-year-old. You're a 24-year-old neighborhood investor. I am not rich. I did not grow up rich. I didn't come from money, none of that stuff. This is just a highly ambitious individual trying to make a great path for himself and not fail. My background is in operations and logistics with the military. I served a total of 6 years. If you're thinking about investing, first of all, do your own research. Don't listen to nobody off of YouTube. Basically, what I'm expecting you to get out of this video is watch, pick whatever speaks to you, everything else, delete if you don't care for it. First step, if you're interested in investing, I highly recommend going into first. Long-term investing, you really don't need to know what the fuck you're doing. And long-term looks like ETFs, strictly ETFs in an account that you won't touch ever again. You can get yourself a Roth account, Roth IRA, and preferably Roth IRA. Get yourself a Roth account, put 2 ETFs in it, and put money in there however frequently you can afford. Right? That's like the basicest, the smallest level of quality investment that you can have. I know most people would say have a high yield savings account, have a CD account, all of that garbaggio. Inflation is going to beat all that. So best bet is just to get you a general ETF. VOO, probably your safest bet. No, literally probably the safest bet for you. If you're just starting, about to start talking to me. A vacuum should be done. But VOO, VTI, easy way to start. Get that done. Roth, set. We're good. Next step, right? Actually, there is a step before the Roth account. I think it's what do you guys call it? It's 3 month savings. Depending on your living situation, you would most likely want 3 month savings just for emergencies, just in case anything happens. So 3 months of your life expenses. Some people that might be 15 grand. Some people that might be 6 grand. Some people that might be 20 grand. I don't know. Different strokes for different folks. So you got your emergency fund, then you have your Roth account. Now you're like, cool. I'm doing better than about 50% of the world. You're really doing better than about 90% of the world at this point, realistically. But with the Roth account and what is it called? With a Roth account and an emergency fund, you're doing way better than 90% of the world, right? Cool story. On next bank account or next investment vehicle is in your individual account. I would say, if you're still new to this, I would say ETFs and your favorite stock. Let's just keep it that simple. Most people just hear about investing and want to go straight into day trading. I want to follow the candles, go up, go down, blah, blah. Scratch that. You got to do these 3 steps first. Right. So after the third step, which is our individual account, I say stay there and marinate for a year. Because now you got to spend time doing research. This is where I would say you can start learning. This is when you got to get crazy, because to be really awesome sauce at everything or anything, you got to be a little bit mentally tapped about it. Right. So this is when you would start studying. If you don't want to study, you can find somebody that you trust and then just watch their content faithfully. And these people like us, we say the same thing over and over again. We don't get tired of it. So if you find who you rock with well enough, you'll be fine. Find that person, watch every single video they have, just eat just soak up knowledge off YouTube. All this information is free. So this is where your studying begins, when you have an individual account, because now you're dealing with taxes, depending on your tax bracket, obviously. You're dealing with taxes potentially, right? Your individual account, what I would recommend, same thing, 2 ETFs and your favorite stock. I would only have my people pick their favorite stock if it's even in the S&P 500. And that's just bare minimum. If you're really serious about it, then I'll say top 20 of S&P 500. That's like if you're serious. But if you're just new to it, just pick your favorite, get into the market, just start. I say start as soon as possible, right? So we got high yield savings, which is your 3 months. We got Roth account, which is just your retirement account. You're not touching this ever. So it don't matter what happens in here. Just throw the money in there, put it in an ETF and your favorite company for now. You can always move it around. It's not taxable. So if you make, I'm not even going to get into that. Roth account, right? And then you got individual account, right? So that individual account is where you play around in. That's your potential swing trading account, your potential day trading account. You could also have long-term positions in that account. And that's literally the way I would go. If I was to be new into investing, if I was interested in investing, I wanted to start today. I don't believe you should do day trading until you have a nice chunk of chicken in your bank account. I know the goal here is to make as much chicken as fast as possible, but slow motion is better than no motion, right? So even though I'm saying as fast as possible, I'm still expecting to do it as slow and as safe as possible. The reason I say as slow as safe as possible is because I tried the fastest possible shit. I was up, if you're new here, I was up about 200 grand last year. I lost 100 in like 2 days. It's slower, but it's more guaranteed. Literally 70% of my portfolio is now in long-term positions. Options and day trading and swing trading, I don't even day trade no more, bro. Like I day trade when I'm having a great day. If anything emotionally or if anything is off, I don't even look to even think about day trading. So day trading is like ultimate. I am there. I am safe. I have a foundation. When you build the house, you got the foundation first. You can't just start putting sticks in the ground and then you put the foundation on top. No, I'm so serious. It's going to hurt when you lose that fat chunk of money if you start day trading first. So I do those first 3 steps, whatever it's emergency fund, Roth account, individual account. Those 3 steps, that's all you need. If you have these 3, you're great. You're perfect. You're awesome sauce right now. You're rocking. You better than 90% of the world right now. Those 3. And then when you marinate in this right here for about a couple, you know what I mean? I don't know, months, years. It depends on how much effort you're putting into learning. Pick up swing trading. You can swing trade anything, futures, options, whatever. Swing trading, that's when you really understand what's going on with the world and the market. You go into day trading too fast, you might fuck your life. But I'm doing this for long-term wealth. I'm not really doing this for quick money. So if you're looking at investing as quick money, you're doing the wrong thing. But I think that's it for me. I don't want to ramble too much. I probably ramble too much where we're at. Yeah, I definitely ramble too much. I got homework to do, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna try to make more videos like this, depending on how y'all react to this. This is more off the top. I know my most recent videos have been more structured and more, so it feels like I might be a robot a little bit. This might have a little bit more personality for y'all, so hopefully y'all get something out of it. Like I said, open or get you a little 3-month savings, whatever you spend on a monthly basis times 3, bam, done. Roth account. That's just your long-term savings account. It's just a glorified savings account. You're not getting taxed. You never pull money out. You just put money in and put it in the right spot. Cool. Individual account. That's when you start playing with your money. You're not really playing with it, but you playing with it. You can see it more actively, whoop-de-whoop, whatever you want to do with it. And then when you get those 3, then you can start thinking about options, day trading. It's your boy, Femi Abdul. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. I got work to do. Stay positive. Stay motivated. Deep breaths. Peace and love, baby. I got everything you need. Oh, my ways. Oh.